This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The air filter is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Release the clip securing the airflow meter to the air filter cover. Release the two clips and lift the air filter cover, disconnecting the airflow meter as the cover is withdrawn. Lift the filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing and cover. Reach under the wheel arch, then squeeze together the sides of the dump valve to release any debris collected. Locate the new filter element into the housing with a rubber seal uppermost. Ensure the element is correctly seated. Engage the hinge lugs at the front of the filter cover with the housing. Then insert the airflow meter and lower the cover into place. Secure the cover with the two retaining clips. Lever over the retaining clips to secure the airflow meter to the filter cover.